I have embraced the no soil method using grow mats and nutrients for the hydroponics. And it seems to be working okay. I'm still experimenting a little bit, trying to figure out how much water to use and how much not to use. This is some cabbage. Let's see, today's the 2nd of March. And this was started on the 26th, so this is like 7 days or 5 days. No, 4 days. 4 days for this stuff. And you can see it's doing pretty well. Coming out here, and here's some radish, and it's doing pretty well. It actually could be harvested here in a few days. Once again, it's in the grow media. Radish is interesting in that it doesn't all come up at the same time. You can see this stuff down here is still coming up slowly. Whereas in the middle of this, under the grow lights, where they get the most light, the leaves are getting pretty big. Here's some brown mustard. This was put in here the 23rd. And you can see it's still, the pieces are still pretty small. The leaves haven't gotten very big yet, but they're doing pretty well in the grow media there. And this is some broccoli over here. Once again, it looks a little bit like the brown mustard, probably done about the same time on the 23rd. So it's about 7 days. It's been in there about a week. And here's some sunflowers. And they were put in there on the 17th. Pardon me, they take a little longer to grow. I think I might have actually soaked those seeds. I've been using that as a strategy. I soaked the bigger seeds for 8 hours or 10 hours, something like that. They seem to grow better that way. This cabbage, I just uncovered it to do the video, but it has been covered, and I'll probably leave it covered for a little while longer. They're not quite tall enough yet. I really like this red cabbage. This turns out great. Grows really well, tastes really good. There, got the cover back on it. Now it's good to go. We'll leave it on there for a few more days until they get to be about, I don't know, 1 or 2 inches tall. Then I'll take the cover off and put it under the grow lights with everything else down here. This stuff on the bottom is peas and nasturtiums, and I've just been harvesting them, cut them off, and they keep growing. They grow back, which is kind of nice.